out a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Today, we will be demolishing the old beacon at the end of the jetty.
Oh.
Diggs, Scooch and Carrie will be in charge of...
There's something different about the way Bose is giving his orders today.
Is it because he's shouting?
No, it's because he's so far away.
And Carl and Lug, I'd like you to fish out all the rubbish from the harbour.
A day's fishing. What could be nicer?
I'll sharpen up my hooky.
Right then, off you go.
After you, Carrie.
Come on, old friend.
Did I ever tell you about the one that got away?
Many times, old friend. Many times.
Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside.
Ah, so do I. All that salty sea air surging through your engine.
You know, it's a very odd thing, but ever since we started this job on the docks, Bozo hasn't come anywhere near us.
Dix is right. He hasn't.
Well, he is the boss. He's probably got lots of boss-type things he has to do.
Look, I got a big one.
It's just a tiddler, old friend. Just a tiddler.
Well, that's got rid of that old beacon.
Oh, shall I go over and ask Maxine if she wants to come and start concreting?
I don't think so, Scooch. Maxine can hardly concrete over that bumpy old surface. It needs to be levelled first.
And that's a job for Bozo.
Yeah.
Where is Bozo?
Look, I think you should just roll over to the docks and get him.
You know something, Carrie? I think I will. Warning, warning, backhoe backing. Warning, warning, backhoe backing.
Nice water. Clear water. Friendly water. Nice water.
Excuse me, Bozo.
Diggs, yes, what can I do for you?
We've got rid of the beacon. We just need you to doze the end of the jetty.
The jetty? The, narrow jetty surrounded by water?
Yeah, that's the one.
Well, actually, you know, I think Maxine could just go ahead and concrete. I don't mind a few bumps.
What?
Yes, bumps could be nice. Thanks, Diggs. Bye, Diggs.
There's something not right here. And I think I know what it is.
Nice water. Clear water. Friendly water.
Bozo, are you afraid of water?
What? A great big machine like me, afraid of water? What an idea! Ha ha ha!
You are, aren't you?
Yes, I am. Oh, how embarrassing is that? A great big machine like me, afraid of water.
Oh, but a great big machine like you should be afraid of water. If you fell in, you'd sink like a stone.
Oh, thanks, Diggs.
But you mustn't be embarrassed. Lots of trucks are afraid of things. Huh. I knew one once that was afraid of cement. Can you believe that?
That was you, wasn't it?
Yes, it was me. But I got over it, and I'll tell you how.
You're scared of this, he's scared of that. What scaredy fools are we? You might get wet, but you can bet that's the worst it's going to be. If you fell in, someone would swim to fish you out the sea. Our Carl, no doubt, would hook you out. That's the worst it's gonna be. Things that may not happen shouldn't cause you pain. Think of all the happy times and you'll be fine again. So grit your teeth, though underneath you're shaking like a tree. There'll be a bash, a mighty splash, that's the worst it's gonna be. You'll soon be dry and wonder why you worried constantly. You can feel sure forevermore, that's the worst it's gonna be.
You know something? I feel a lot better after that. I think I could go right up to that bucket.
Oh, forget the bucket. I think you're ready for a real test. Right then. Come on, Bowser.
I really don't think I'm ready for this, Diggs.
I think this time Mr. Hooky really has got a big one.
Here we go again.
Come on, Bowser. You can do it.
I'm sorry, Diggs, I just can't.
Don't worry, Bowser. You did really well.
Reel it in, old friend.
I'm trying.
Stay there, Bowser. I'll come back. Oh, what was that?
Wait a minute. That isn't a piece of rubbish. It's the jetty.
Oh, I'm gonna fall in.
Not on my shift, you're not. Right, just grab onto my dozer with your bucket and I'll pull you back. Right, I've got you. Now hold on, Diggs. Mind behind. Mind behind. Listen up, everybody. I just want you all to know that the reason you've not seen much of me here at the docks is that I'm afraid of water.
That's nothing. I'm afraid of strong winds.
And I'm afraid of loose hubcaps.
I'm afraid of everything.
But Bowser, you saved me. You went out into the middle of the water.
That doesn't mean I wasn't scared. But at least I know now that it's nothing to be embarrassed about. One roll at a time, eh, Diggs?
One roll at a time.
Well, you were right that time, Carl. That certainly was a big one.
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.